boys and girls, hello, welcome to another vloggy. How's it going? Doing all right? Leaving work a little early because I'm a freaking slacker. You know how it is. Sometimes you just don't want to put in the full effort, so you put in a half effort. Yeah, weird. Dirty little bike. Just looking at the forks. Don't mind me. So, scheduled my surgery, and gonna find out about the exact date shortly. But exact time. I know the date. It's the 28th. I'm gonna find out about the time, and then I'm gonna find out about my physical therapy. I thought I was gonna have a couple days off for physical therapy, and I have to do physical therapy freaking 2 days later. Cocksmokers. Anyway, got my new gloves, got my bike. It's a wonderful thing. Oh, sorry. My bad. Sorry there, sir. Bumpy, eh? Go ahead, kids. All right. So, is there any agenda for today's vlog? No, there isn't. No, there is not. No agenda. Nothing to learn. Nothing to remember. Nothing to accomplish. Just yet one more ride. You know what I mean? Because this might be the last few riding vlogs right here before before the new knee. Because there's gonna be some vlogs in between, with like lifestyle shit and whatnot, but it's not gonna be riding shit. So this is it. And I do think I'm gonna go upstate this next weekend, just for one more ride, one more experience, and then yeah, that's about it. Not too much beyond that. Not too much beyond that. I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna watch one episode of new season of Better Call Saul, and then I'm gonna go get Vietnamese food with my sister. So it's a pretty straightforward evening. And then I might go to Dirty Billy, my boy's spot, the dirtiest of Billy's, to have a beer or two, like a nightcap kind of situation. Nothing wrong with it, nothing wrong with a little bit of a nightcap. What is happening here? These bumps here are fucking gnarly. It's a big truck. There we go. Little this, little that. Nothing too crazy. Kids no day. That was kind of a messy spot to be. I don't like this at all. Kind of a shitty place to be. And this weekend I'm gonna go on a couple of rides. This weekend I think I'm gonna go to this sandwich spot I've been meaning to go to and just explore some Queens stuff. Hopefully I have some energy to go to this Catskills tomorrow. I have to. I mean, I really should. So, should be alright. I mean, I'm literally just gonna ride like this with my leg out. So how hard would it be? It wouldn't be hard at all. Go ahead. Y'all can pass me. It's totally fine. There we go. Ooh, a little bit of traffic coming in. Not a big problem. Yeah, I'm just sick of my leg. My leg hurts right now for no reason, doing nothing, you know. Oh, it's a B word. It's a proper B word. You know. But at least it's nice out. Another day, another vlog. A little bit of traffic starting up that way. Oh, brother. I guess I'll wait. It's a cute little Porsche. Yeah. And this is like me dealing with like 30 seconds of traffic versus like, you know, actual real traffic. May not want to go too fast now because alright, okay. So what are we doing here? What's the fucking protocol there, champ? Jeez Louise. Alright, I guess we wait. Fucking go, bros. Stupid drivers don't know how to use the space that they got. What the fuck is the point if you can't use your brain? Ha 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 ha. I don't know. We got some musics over here though. Yeah, I'd have to take like painkillers every fucking day if I was to just deal with it. It's not gonna work for me. And look at that. What is that? A pirate of some sort? Some sort of a football team of sorts? Yeah, I think I should be able to walk there. I don't think it should be a problem. I just don't feel like riding. And I want to put on some comfy shoes. Alright kids, well that's it. That was the vlog. That's pretty much it. You know, there's not much more I can tell you about this life of mine. Wah wah. As they say, wah wah, my P word hurts. You know what I mean by the P word. Okay, bye.